It's time to blow up Tent and Table's 35-foot blue marble dual lane slip and slide. This quick and exciting unit can be inflated with a 1.5 blower. This slip and slide extends out to 35 feet in length and ends up being 10.5 feet wide as well as 9 feet tall. The water splashes out into the back to help give you more momentum so you can fly up towards the front end of the pool. We're able to do this using our misting system, which you may have seen in previous videos. You'll see here that you'll take this tube and pinch the opening open, and then you'll be able to slide your hose straight into the tube. With these, you're not going to push super hard in so that your hose goes straight into like the inflatable. There's going to be a point where your hose will suction in, and once you have it there, you'll know you're good to close it up and wrap this piece of velcro around it. Once your hose is in place, you can use the straps along the inflatable to kind of keep it up and out of the way, that way no one's tripping over it as they're running in and out of the slip and slide. Be sure to check out this unit on our website, and stay tuned for more of these little feature videos to show off some of the special things that we have on each of our tent and table units.